Hi, boys and girls. This week we've been working on writing realistic fiction. So we have made up characters, we gave the character a name, and we've started to imagine adventures, right? So yesterday I was telling you one of the adventures that my character went on was that she was at the park and she started being a bully to a younger person on the playground. That was her first adventure. Some other adventures she might go on in different books that I'm going to write might be about her losing a tooth and the tooth fairy coming. I might write an adventure about being stung by a wasp on her eye and it's swelling up. So think about adventures, more than one, although in each book that we write, there's only going to be one adventure. So I just gave you 3 examples. Being a bully at the park, losing a tooth and the tooth fairy coming, and the third one was about being stung in the eye by a wasp. That would be 3 different books. All right, so yesterday we reviewed touching and telling. Remember, you're going to touch each page and tell what happens on that page before you write. And then finally, you're going to sketch your pictures, which means draw them really quickly with a pencil, no details, and then write your story. Once you've finished one book, you can kind of put it away, pretend like we have our writing folders. This will go on the red side. So you'll put it away, you'll get 3 new pages, and you'll start a new story about the same character. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, please, please, please send me a message on Dojo, send me a video message asking questions, and I promise to get back to you and help make this more clear. I know sometimes being online is a little bit more difficult than being in class, but I know that you guys know how to do this, and you are super smart and very capable. Happy writing!